Hey everyone, welcome back to ClearTask. If you just got a new eSIM card or eSIM and need to get it working quickly, you are in the right place. Today, I will walk you through the simple step-by-step process to activate it. First, if you have a physical SIM card, go ahead and insert it into your phone. If you are setting up an eSIM, just make sure your device is connected to Wi-Fi. Next, open any web browser on your phone or computer. Search for Activate eSIM and click on the official EEUK website. Once you are on the EE activation page, scroll down and look for the option that says Activate your new SIM. Click on it. Here you will be prompted to select what you are activating. Choose either SIM card or eSIM, depending on your pack. After selecting, click Activate. You will then need to enter your EE mobile number. Once entered, click Send PIN. EE will send a one-time PIN to verify your request. If you are swapping to a new physical SIM, they may also ask you to quickly type in your new SIM's serial number. Just follow the simple on-screen prompts to finish the setup. Your SIM will automatically activate within a few minutes. In rare cases, when it can take up to 24 hours for the network signal to fully connect, but it is usually much faster. Once you see the EE symbol appear at the top of your screen, you are completely ready to go. That is it. Clean and simple. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, please leave a like, share the video, and subscribe for more straightforward tech guides. See you in the next one.